Hello students. In the previous class, we have discussed about the air pollution, the constituents of pure air and the requirement of an adult. So today we will continue the topic and know more about air pollution. What are the causes of air pollution? There are a number of causes, and what are the important causes of air pollution we will know. So let us read the paragraph 4, 5 and 6. Look at your books. Our air is being poisoned with the byproducts of an expanding technological society. Air pollution is nothing new, but what is new is the scope and severity of air pollution. In recent times, quite a large number of industries can be seen in urban areas as well as rural pockets. Most of these industries spew dense smoke from their chimneys. What is this smoke made of and how is it produced? Industries require steam, and to produce it, various fuels such as coal, coke and furnace oil are burnt. During burning, along with heat, smoke is also produced. Where does the smoke go? Apparently, it disappears in a short time, but in reality, it never does so. Instead, it mingles with the atmospheric air and pollutes it. We respire this polluted air containing obnoxious gases, ash and dust particles. Without our knowledge, our lungs slowly become garbage dumps for these pollutants. Dear students, in this paragraph, it is described that air is being poisoned by the byproduct of an expanding technological society. Now in modern society, I have told, the modern world is a global village. Everywhere there is the sign of modernization. Both in rural and urban areas, the industries are being set up every day. The number of vehicles, automobiles is also increasing every day to meet the need of growing population. So, the air is being poisoned with the byproduct of an expanding technological society. Technological society, Prajukti Vidya. So now, due to technological advancement, everywhere there is expansion in industries, mines. Air pollution is nothing new. So air pollution is not a new concept. It was before and it is also at present. But what is new? The scope and severity of air pollution. Severity, seriousness. The seriousness of air pollution is a new phenomenon, not the concept itself. So what are the causes of air pollution? In recent times, quite a large number of industries can be seen in urban areas as well as in rural pockets. Both in urban areas and rural areas, the industries are being set up, are being established. Most of the industries spew dense smoke, throw out. So industries spew dense smoke. You might have seen in each and every industry there must be a chimney and the smoke comes out of that chimney. In our houses also, in villages, in thatched roof, there are some chimneys and smoke comes out that way. You must have marked. So, these industries spew dense smoke from their chimneys. What is this smoke made of and how is it produced? Then from where this smoke comes and how is it produced? From where the smoke comes? Industries require steam and to produce it various fuels such as coal, coke and furnace oil are burnt. So industries. So here we are reading about the most important cause of air pollution. What is the important cause of air pollution? Industrialization. So when we set up an industry, for the function of industry, for the function of machineries, we need heat, we need steam. So how is the steam produced? First we use the fuels like in your houses also we are using the fuels like firewood, coal, electricity, gas, LPG gas. So many kinds of fuels we are using for cooking purpose. Similarly, in an industry we use coal, coke and furnace oil. So all these fuels are burnt. So when the fuels are burnt, what is produced? Along with heat, smoke is also produced. So it produces heat as well as smoke. So heat is necessary for running the machineries. Heat is necessary for running machineries. For operation of industries, for producing goods and services. Then where does this smoke go? The smoke is not used in industries. Then where does it go? Apparently it disappears in a short time. Apparently, apatata, prayata, perhaps. Apparently it disappears in short time, but in reality it never does so. It does not disappear. Then where does it go? It mingles with the atmospheric air and pollutes it. Then smoke mingles in air. ताले स्मोक रो काम कौन? स्मोक एयर रे मिसी जाए, भैनिश हो जाए, आमको देखा जाए नहीं, किंतु सेटा एयर रे मिसिकी एयर को पॉल्यूटेड करी पकाए. Otherwise the air is pure. A smoke, ash and other obnoxious gases which come out of the industries, they make the air polluted. So the atmospheric air is polluted. We respire this polluted air containing obnoxious gases, ash and dust particles. तेणु आमे कौन करती से पॉल्यूटेड एयर को आमर श्वासक्रिया रे आमे ग्रहण करती. ताले आमर प्योर एयर सहित जो पॉल्यूटेंट देह भितर को जाए, तुम्हें चिंता कल आमर देह भितर कौन हम किसी निश्चित भाव गोटे रिएक्शन हम. जेहेतु एयर आमर रेस्पिरेशन सिस्टम देकी जाउची, तेणु रेस्पिरेशन सिस्टम टा आमर निश्चित भाव में अफेक्टेड हम. कहाँ पाई ड्यू टू पॉल्यूटेड एयर. So we respire this polluted air containing obnoxious gases. Poisonous. So obnoxious gases like ash, smoke, dust particle, without our knowledge our lungs slowly become garbage dump for these pollutants. We don't know, without our knowledge our lungs जानते कि नहीं फुसफुस जार काम होची आमर रेस्पिरेशन. तेणु लंग्स कौन हुए गोटे गार्बेज रो काम करे. आमे सब अलिया नहीं कि डस्टबिन रे पकाउचंती तेणु आमर लंग्स टा गोटे डस्टबिन भाया काम करे. जेते पॉल्यूटेंट सब जाए एयर सहित सेगुड़िक जाइकी लंग्स रे डिपोजिट हुए. ताले लंग्स जदि डिपोजिट हब ताले कौन तुम भावुच लंग्स तार नॉर्मल एक्टिविटीज करि परिबो कि ना केबे नुहे. तेणु लंग्स तार यूजुअल एक्टिविटीज आउ करि परिबो नाही. आमर नेचुरल वे रे रेस्पिरेशन हब नाही. तेणु लंग्स टा आमर गोटे गार्बेज डंप भाव रे काम करे. काहाकु नहीं कि पॉल्यूटेंट्स माने जाइकी सब लंग्स रे डिपोजिट हुअंती. Thermal power station are rated the first among the industries that discharge high amount of smoke and ash. Other significant industries contributing to air pollution are cement, steel and ore processing industries. Some of the chemical industries also release toxic fumes into the air along with smoke. So, under this industrialization, first comes thermal power station. It is rated the highest or first to leave pollutant, to spew pollutant into the atmosphere. So thermal power station are rated the first among the industries that discharge high amount of smoke and ash. I have already told ash, smoke, dust particles, these are pollutants. They are not seen. We cannot see them, but they are present in the atmosphere and they enter our body through the air. Then comes next, after thermal power station comes the other significant industries like cement, steel and ore processing industries. Thermal power station is the first making pollution, then comes cement, steel and ore processing industries. Some of the chemical industries also release and some other chemical industries. They come in the third position. They also make the air polluted by releasing what? Toxic fumes. Poisonous fumes or flames into the air along with smoke. So, from these paragraphs we came to know the most important cause of air pollution is industrialization. And in industrialization, for running of machineries, we burn some fuels, and those fuels give rise to smoke along with the heat or steam, and that smoke and other particles like ash, dust particles, toxic fumes which are produced as byproducts from some industries, they are mingled with the air in atmosphere and they enter our body through respiration and make our respiratory system or make our lungs a garbage dump. So this is all about the cause of air pollution, and in next class we will read another cause of air pollution. So for today that's all. Thank you.